It's most and still early in our pre-season preparations, but like I say, we've got some new players. We've not trained together too much at the moment, so to get some game time will be very good.
Well, last year we finished 7th. You know, it was a good season for us, but now we expect to do better. That's for sure. You know, especially with the signings that we made, the Wayne Rooney, the Pickfords, the Sandro Ramirez, the Klaassens. You know, we expect to be up there, definitely. That's for sure. And for myself, I'm more excited because I come back from a year injury, but I'm coming back and I'm playing with some great players.